This is pretty much the home screen. Once you open the application, you pretty much will see the world globe, as you can see here. So you can move around and look for wherever you want to see the streets, and as you can see, you can zoom in as well. So all you have to do, let's say you want to see here, tap on the enter option here, and it will give you a little preview like this here. As you can see here, as it relates to this location that you have selected, you can go at the bottom of the screen here and select this option, and you pretty much can see where you are on that screen as well. You can tap on the, we'll say the dice icon here to pretty much give you random locations here. So you can see, you can tap on these R here to just navigate around the world. But I'm not sure how accurate this is, but as you can see here on the map, you can see pretty much where you are as it relates to this here, as you can see. So I'm not very sure how accurate this is, but you can give it a try. And that's really pretty much it for that feature. Nothing much for that. You may see an ads, you can just tap on the skip ads here and you're good to go. So as it relates to the street view, some of them, the live view of the street, can tap on the option down here. You may see some of these which will show you that there's a live stream right now. You can tap on the option. Some of times it will redirect you to YouTube. Nothing much for that, but yeah, that's really pretty much it. And you can go ahead at the top here to pretty much search for locations that you want to see pictures for or something like that, but you won't be able to see the full, like any live streams or anything like that. And as well, you can tap on the street view option, and you will see some of these locations which you can view, as I said before, which are streaming live. Some of the times it will redirect you to YouTube. Some of the times it will just load up the app, which have a live stream of what's going on for that current area. So as you can see here, for this one here, this is pretty much live stream. I'm not sure how accurate this really is, but yeah. So that's really pretty much it for this application here. Not too bad. I've reviewed a few of them, and this one is quite decent, I would say, but should be better as it relates to this. But yeah, that's really pretty much it. If I missed anything at all, just let me know in the comment section. And if you do want to remove the ads, you can pretty much go back and select this option at the top here, and you'll be able to get your premium subscription here, as you can see, and remove their ads, and you'll be able to get more features as it relates to this as well. So that's really pretty much it for this application here. If I missed anything at all, just let me know in the comment section and see if we can help you out.